Ah, we're back! That only took like, what, 2 hours of importing? Whoa, man. That's crazy. Alright, let's make sure we're live. Okay, Twitch says we're live. YouTube says we're live. We're back. Yay. Anyway, I didn't even get to import everything, because, well... Okay, so we have that wouldn't import for some reason. This I don't think we're gonna need. We're not gonna make an MMO. What else? I think that was about it. Everything else imported just fine. Right. So it's time to make our game. So I need to get the camera on. Where's the camera so high up? Hello. That's good. Alright, let's just change a few settings here because we're going to have to use some stuff. Filters. Right. No transparency for now. Alright, cool. So, we have dev dog. What's dev dog? Everything's lagging now. So many files. Oh, inventory. Okay, we have an inventory. Right. I got something prepared, alright? So, we have, this is very important, okay? Okay? Everyone paying attention? Got a black, a blue, a red, or a green whiteboard marker. Which one do we use? The first of many questions. Four choices for colors on our lovely figuring out what the heck we're doing. There you go. Pick a color, any color. First person I see to reply wins. That color. Sure. We have 3 viewers right now. That's very quick. Thank you for joining. Anyone. I'll just pick myself soon. I'll give you guys 30 seconds. Pick a color. You got 20 seconds. Pick a color. Come on. Alright, I guess I'll pick... Okay, well I guess we'll use the blue one, sure. Yeah, blue one. Alright. Let's get the whiteboard up. Cover that thing. Ow. Something hit me. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Kind of. Alright, we'll just keep it like that. Alright. Make this bigger. That works. Alright, so we know we have an inventory system. Okay? That's very big, isn't it? Inventory system. Yes. Okay. We have an inventory system. Good, that's the right way around. I'm starting to think that maybe my chat's not connected, so give me 1 second to check this. Okay, yeah, no one said anything. That's great. Alright. Cool. So we have an inventory system, we have this thing. I believe that's, what's it called? Terrain generator. So, terrain gen. Got that. Man, this is gonna be easy peasy then, to create a level. Gameflow, what the hell's Gameflow? I didn't really look at these. I looked at maybe 2 or so much. Gameflow. Oh, that was not something I was supposed to open. No, I mean the README. The README. Gameflow is a powerful yet easy to read visual... Okay, visual programming. Sure, why not? Visual... Please stay with us. Visual programming. Sure, that's not even spelt right, but whatever. Okay, so that's game flow. What's this? FX. Okay, we got cool particles. I assume. Ooh. Shades, surely. Cool particles. Alright, what else we got? Paradox Notion. How's Paradox? Flow Canvas. To get started, you'll have to add the flow script controller. Why do I keep opening these? It just takes too much time. What's Flow Canvas? It doesn't say. I don't know what Flow Canvas is. Is it another visual scripter? No, we don't want another one. Scenes, no. What's this? VR. Oh, okay, this is the big one. Hang on. Okay. So we've got FPS template. Now this costs like $75. I know that one because that's the first one I looked at. I was like, this doesn't look that great. I wonder what the price is. I bet it's $2. No, it was 75. Yes. We got music. Don't forget the music. So we got that sorted out for us. We don't have to Kevin MacLeod that. Which isn't always that bad. And we got more music. Alright, so what can we make from this? Oh, we got someone in chat. For the inventory in single player, you should pause the game. For the inventory... What do you mean? Oh, you mean press escape for the inventory? Yeah, I assume that's already there. Okay, let's think. If we can generate any world we want. Just gonna make sure you guys can actually see that. Okay. I'm gonna need you guys to come up with some of the ideas here, because good old Henry's not gonna be able to put something too well together. We've got music. I don't think we should have that part of the game though. Audio visualizer I haven't really programmed ever. Got FPS, so that'll come with guns and physics and stuff, I assume. Cool particles. Guess those two work together, kind of. But how can we make a weird game? That's what I want to know. Weird game. We could make some weird terrain, or... Ooh. Well, visual programming I don't want to use because I like doing it myself. Hang on, I think we're missing a pack that I was thinking about. Let me go over here and see if this will import or not. Ah, it seems to be working. Alright, well, while that figures out, does anyone have any ideas for something? It doesn't matter how weird, okay? Just as long as it's advertiser friendly, because I don't want to be done by YouTube on live streaming platforms. I know my game that we're doing at university, we got a whole bunch of memes, so that's a bit interesting. Right. Yeah, it says nothing to import. I don't get that. Look at that. I'll just move that error over there. Nothing to import. Oh, they're already here. Where? Hang on a minute. Where is this? Cause this is who's this by? Protofactor. I don't see anything here called Protofactor. Heroic Fantasy Creation. We're missing something in here. Is that under packages? Nope. Huh, that's odd. We seem to already have something imported, but it's not in our assets folder. Very interesting. Let me just try to figure this out, eh? We're trying to look for this thing. Because this apparently was part of the bundle. We're not adding that, by the way, because I don't want to deal with multiplayer right now. That's Inventory Pro. I'm just trying to think, maybe it added something. No. Game flow. There was this other one, wasn't there? The one that I didn't get. No, that's realistic effects. That's obvious. Paradox though. I doubt that's that heavily. Scenes. It wouldn't be under here, would it? Definitely not. I guess it's just not going to show up. Alright, so we don't have any fantasy stuff. That's cool. Alright. I guess I'll have to bring out the creative juices here. Expand that. Cool. Alright, so we have music. I guess we could have. Okay, music doesn't count. Okay, it's just a extra feature. Who cares about that? It's distracting me. We got visual programming. That's okay. Cool. We'll try that if we want to. Okay, this is what we've got. We've got an inventory system, so we could somehow make that a thing. Got FPS templates, so we can already provide guns and firing mechanics. Cool particles. That could be something. I don't know. Terrain generator. The problem is we're missing like anything. So I guess technically the MMO would add like enemies and stuff, right? If we want to make this all like with assets, we want to make sure we got the assets for an actual challenge, right? With like enemies and stuff. So I'll try installing the MMO. I assume that comes with like at least models that we can program to do something. It should though in third person and delayed attacks. Alright, I'll start writing down ideas. Well, I mean, we're not making an MMO. Again, multiplayer. Or unless it, all the net code's done for me. Because I haven't read a multiplayer game before, and I don't really intend to learn tonight. Alright, I'm trying to split these up. MMO assets. Since that seems to be importing. Now, just word of warning, these things take forever to import. So we're just going to expand this back up. Whoop. Shoop. Okay, cool. Okay, so. Ideas! Okay, so we need... You can't even spell ideas, that's great. Ideas... Boop. Alright, so we want to have third person for some reason. Nothing wrong with that. Not telling you though that I'm going to be able to do animations. Delayed attacks. Sure. Is that from ourselves or from the enemy? I assume it's from ourselves. Please specify. But otherwise, I think it'll be from ourselves. So you mean I'm gonna click, and then a second later it's gonna work? God damn it! It's gonna be some weird stuff. We're still decompressing, so we still have time to come up with some more ideas. So I think terrain generation. Should we? Oh, we're collecting content now. We're getting there. Okay, so there's definitely content there to import this time. Look, we've already got it. Okay, so now we need to hurry up and come up with ideas, because now it's coming into Unity. A terrain generator. What sort of level do we want? I feel like we want to have... Say it is an MMO, like an adventure game. We want to have it medieval, right? Medieval with guns. Oh, that's an idea. Maybe. Open world. Yeah. Okay. That's a good idea. But should we have it set medieval? I think so. Yeah, definitely medieval then if we're having dungeons. I'm not sure about dungeons though. I'm not sure if that's going to be in the assets. I haven't checked out the assets yet. Again. Should we have guns? Guns to our Middle Ages? Just you have like all the bosses, but you have like really overpowered weapons with delayed like attack. Like it's like some sort of time traveler or something. That would be weird. I think we covered the MMO already because we got medieval, and I assume that has a lot of medieval assets. And we do have cool terrain generators done now. Inventory system, sure. I'm not sure we can do underground though. That's the only thing I'm concerned about, because Unity doesn't have really great cave system sort of stuff. So you either have to model it yourself, or hope you have a tool to edit the height map, or make a hole in the height map somehow, and then model a cave, and then shove it in there. I don't think we have that sort of stuff on us. Because I know that the one thing I do know is that this guy uses a height map, which doesn't let you have overhangs because it's a height map. It's just a PNG image with a gradient of color. So it doesn't really have a, oh, put a thing here because there's no layer for that. Maybe there's better ones out there. I don't know. I'm kind of new to this. Apparently, I'm new to spelling too. All right, so got this so far. I think guns. Guns. Why not? Guns. Lol. And maybe if we have netcode that works in the MMO with all of this, sure, I'll make it multiplayer. We're still importing, so we've got the FPS, I think, done. Cool particles. I think those will just come in by themselves. Inventory system, I think we'll just, you know, it's an MMO. You're gonna have an inventory system do something. Alright, well, this is what we're building. Okay, so our idea is it's gonna be a third-person game with delayed attacks for some reason. Don't forget, if you got any new ideas to put them up, we're still importing. We've got an open world, so big and big. Medieval, so it's gonna be, you know, that. An MMO helps. Guns, for some reason. So guns that jam, basically. I'm not sure what else to add though. It feels like it's missing something, right? Not just me? Oh my god, we're importing so many files. This is gonna take some time. When you're expecting your audience to help you up, they don't want to. Let's see. Should we have our should we have our character T-posed? That sounds. You know what? We'll go with these ideas for now and see where we go. Because obviously the best way to make a game is have no clear direction, right? And no sense of scope. That's how you make a successful game project. Yes. I'll move this over here. So we are waiting for that progress bar to get to the end. I mean, oh, I forgot to write down dungeons. Whoops. I mean, not like I'd forget that, but you never know. Unity has to import. No, open up one of my lights. It's a floor switch. Just give me a second. It's really in there. Oh, it's not plugged in. Right, that would do. That would affect some things. Okay, plugged in now. And on. Hey, the lights are on now. I should get some better lighting on everything. Hasn't really improved it, has it? Oh, there's a lot of dust on those things. Hey, look at that. Hey. Random splodge right there. Hey! Looks like it's imported. My hair's a mess. Okay, cool. So, looks like it's time to come up with some. We're still doing stuff. God damn it. Um, chat saying anything? Not really. I can understand that. We have no idea where this is going. Again, if you come up with any ideas while we're making this, feel free to share whatever you think, because honestly, I will add anything. Within reason, like, if you want me to go off and grab a 3D model, I'll go off and grab a 3D model real quick. As long as we mainly use these, I'm happy. Because that's the purpose of this. Oh, this is a very interesting stream, isn't it? God damn it. I hope you all are enjoying this 60 frames per second progress bar. As I sure am. So how's everyone's day been today? Good? Because my one has just been this. Progress bars after progress bars after progress bars. CSGO 2? You want me to make CSGO 2? Alright. I mean, don't forget, we need to have these themes. But sure, I will. Guns across. I'm not sure if I can do that. Again, we're trying to rely the most on the assets. Like, we're terrible at the game designing. But sure, I'll do CSGO V2. Oh, wait a minute. What if we give the NPCs guns as well? Ooh. How about just a demo for a CS level? We have open world, but okay, we'll have CS level as well. Yeah, it's gonna go lovely. But you know, with the high definition, okay, we went there now. High definition render pipeline. That's probably now not how you write it down. So we've got third person delayed attacks, open world. Delayed attacks, do we really want that? Open world, medieval, guns, dungeons, CSGO V2, CS level, HDRPL. Alright. Any other ideas while we're importing? Any ideas for the particle system? Like any random things you want to happen? Because they might be able to happen. Who knows? With the power of Unity at our side. Sponsored by Humble Bundle. Not really. Underline this in red because I'm cool. Yes. I'll go make it bigger for now. This is pretty boring watching Unity do nothing. There you go. Hey, we're back to this view. Leave that there for everyone to see the progress. Normie simulator. Okay, your Pepe. Okay. Okay, that's an idea actually. Hang on. Reang as you chase down those evil normie people and gun them down. Oh no. Again. We could make that. Sure. I'm just not sure if I should. Because of YouTube. Um, let's see. We could make it like the enemies are like normies, and they're like giving you really bad memes. Normies. There you go. I'm not sure about Pepe though. Iridium 2, get out of here. We didn't even make Iridium 1. Besides, I'm trying to make this overnight, not like in 3 months. Right, we'll have normies. Just bad memes, really. Bad memes coming from NPCs. I don't even know if half the assets are gonna work. That's the that's the big thing. Alright. Compiling scripts, great. We're still importing, by the way. It's kind of stuck. Alright, any other ideas? Any idea? I'm already seeing stuff conflicting with each other, so it's gonna be a bit weird. But sure. I know how to implement this in an open world game, so don't worry. Everything you say will go into the game. So this is your opportunity to screw this game up right now. Alright. Minecraft 4. Okay. Okay. I did say everything was gonna go in. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, shit. Stop it. Fuck me. This is gonna be such a shitty game. And this is all your fault. Despacito, the shooting simulator. Okay, yeah, I got an idea for that. Family friendly too, don't worry, YouTube. I know you're watching. Despacito shooting. Good spelling. Right. This is an interesting list of things. Carrot for the... I don't even know what you would be saying there. I assume it would be fuck, but that doesn't make any grammatical sense. Carrot for the... Okay, now just remember, every time you come up with something stupid, it's going to take me longer and longer to make a compiled version of this game. That's easy. That's annoying. That is, like, what the fuck, how am I even going to do that? That's, I can do, baby. Minecraft 4, I don't even know. Despacito, I figured out shooting some... What? Does shooting even mean anything? Hang on. Alright. We're gonna minimize that real quick so I can see what I'm doing. Let's see. I'm sure it's something to do with, like... Shoot. Clog something. So we're gonna clog stuff up? Is that... Is that our game? It's a terrible game. Shooting sim. Yeah. Rhymes with block, but with a C. What are you on about? Rhymes with block. I don't get that. But with C. I can add a C to the game. That doesn't make any sense. Rhymes with block, but with a C. Shooting sim. Block. Clock. No? I don't get it. Could I go start up Unity before they come up with anything more weird? Oh, we're still importing. No, we're not. We're... Oh, yeah. I assume there's stuff that was left behind that's, like, still going. Ideas. Oh, wait. We done? We done? Oh, boy. No! The list is just going on more ridiculous things. Ay ay ay. We're never gonna be finished, are we? God damn it, what have I done? Let's open up the chat again. Let's have a look. Oh my god, more stuff. A game based off the Amazing Yogg. A game based off. You know, this is this. Auto mod keeps it. I don't have a mod. It's just Twitch's filter. So you want me to have a Yogscast reference? Okay, so the snowman with a. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. We could have it as one of the enemies. Carrot for a C asterisk 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 C YouTube. I know. NPC. Maybe he could give you like quests. Who knows? So we're definitely making a MMO now, an offline MMO. Oh, the best kind. Can we stop importing? This isn't even the stuff we just imported. I know it's a song. I've seen the song. It's a good song. I love how it's just like, while this imports has come up with the worst ideas. Oh my god. What's the core stuff? I need to identify what's going to come first. So with a green marker now. Let's see. So first thing we need to do is generate an open world. That's number one. We need to have that in, because you know it's obvious. I'm gonna leave that until it's like actually done, because you can see it's still popping up with stuff. Now let's see. We'll need to implement that as a core thing, because otherwise we're gonna screw ourselves over. Delayed attacks. This third person is a thing we'll have to implement very early. The guns, because now apparently we're heavy on the guns. Despacito is more like an after thing. Should we make the carrot NPC the snowman? Korg, no, we shouldn't. That should be something else. Dungeons. Oh, I figured out how to implement all these stupid things that people are coming up with. Themed. That way, we can make the excuse that they are themed dungeons, right? So, a Minecraft 4 dungeon, a CSGO level dungeon, you know, with CSGO mechanics. A normie dungeon, a Despacito dungeon. I think this guy though, he'll be like the one that gives you the quest. Like there'll be like 4 dungeons or something. See, now it's taking shape again. Oh my god, how much are we doing? We're just gonna keep I'm gonna restart Unity soon. That probably won't help things. Right. Any other ideas besides what? Besides Templar? God damn it! Don't even start on that guy. I mean, I actually don't want more ideas, but at this rate, there's not much else to do. We're just compiling and then getting another one and compiling and then another one and compiling. It's never ending. Oh my god. I don't even think it's like changing what file it's compiling. I feel like it's stuck in a loop. I might just cancel that. Can I close this? I really want to close you. Like now. You're taking way too long, and I don't need you clogging anything up. Malwarebytes, where you open. Okay. Oh boy. I thought that this was recording my monitor. Apparently not. That's very interesting. Alright, let's have a look. What are we missing here? Where is it? It's under here, here, here. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now to figure out why my monitor has stopped working. Because that's cool. That's right, I called the Project Humble Bumble because I couldn't say it right the first time. We have that one, but the first one doesn't want to work. What is this? It's nonsense. Alright. Any other additional ideas to add to the board of great thought and deep minds? Anything? We have a lot of good ideas here. I mean, I think it's fine the way it is, right? Yeah, I don't think we need to add any more contradicting themes onto this game. You know? It's good if we don't, like, I'm not gonna say anything. Because that would be bad. And then I would have to, can we please, like, I'm very awkwardly just trying to get Unity to work, and it's still doing this thing where it just won't, it's like it's importing, still. This is like huge. How many things did we get? I guess we did get over $1,000 worth of assets, so, that's a problem. Well, in the meantime, let me Google how on earth we're gonna get a Minecraft level in. Okay, so we have 3D exporters, apparently. I mean, we have exporters, so we can export to .object, which I believe keeps the textures. So technically we can make a Minecraft level. Okay, so that means we'll have to start up Minecraft for that. Man, so much more effort than I was expecting to put into it. Hang on, get over. Okay, apparently we've got to do whatever this is, so still stuck for a while. I guess in the meanwhile we could make the level, right? You know, like, since we've got a Minecraft level, may as well design that, right? So let's highlight the levels for the dungeons. So we got that. We've got this. That's another level. That's another level. Yeah, so we got 4 levels. I think that's good. We could probably pump that out tonight. I say that, but I can already feel myself going, ah! Yikes. Oh! You see how there's no... Oh, wait, you guys can't see this. Like, look, guys, there's no more progress bar. Ah! We're saved. In fact, now there's no Unity at all. I assume it's busy. Yeah, okay. This thing. Maybe I should just, like, wait till tomorrow. Although, now it's not saying it's compiling shaders. It's still saying it's, It really doesn't want to work. Hang on. Oh, I added the wrong source. Monitor. See, that comes up. That comes up just fine, but we want this screen, not this screen. Just doesn't want to come up. It's like the monitor doesn't exist for some reason. It's very odd. Okay. I'm gonna move this down. Compiling, compiling, compiling. It's never ending. Now, I might have to admit something. I did put this on an external hard drive. So, yeah. Okay, I saw Unity pop up in Task Manager, but then it just disappeared. Okay, it is running. I see it. It's using, like, a bunch of memory. Like, a lot of it for something. And it is running, but not very much. Which makes me think it's like crashed again. Shader compiler's on, the Unity's there, but it's not like coming up. Oh no, now it is again. Hello. Compiling scripts. Hey, we got Unity's window on OBS now. So at least I can see when it pops up now. Don't know where it's gonna pop up from, but it's popping up from somewhere. So what do we do in the meanwhile while we wait for this? Just come up with our health system, just healing items. Hey, there we go. Now we can see window capture. Hello. So, so every time it's compiling, we can see it in the black thing. It keeps opening and closing this compiler error thing. It is running. It's just taking forever. Should we work on the level while we wait for this to compile? Because it's gonna take some time. It's already been 40 minutes. My God. You'd assume it would be done by now, but no. Okay. So I think that we need to make the level, the Minecraft 4 level. So, what better way to do that than to start up Minecraft? Apparently, Minecraft's also Unity. Right, so we've got to go and make it. Oh my God, we got so much stuff to download. It's not even funny. We're still compiling the scripts, by the way. It's never ending. Okay, we're gonna make the Minecraft 4 level, okay? We're not playing Minecraft, okay? That's not the whole stream, but someone said we need to make a Minecraft level, so now we're gonna make a Minecraft level. So, off we go. What's my username? I guess this. Yay, we're in first try. Apparently we're already gonna load up Forge, so that's a good start. Let's go with the latest release. Oh, we have to download. God damn it. Ah, it's not that bad. I know there's a black screen. Just wait on by. We'll get through this together. It's almost done launching. Give it a second, and then I can add it. We're still compiling scripts, by the way. Like this is gonna take its time. So I have no idea why the monitor won't be recorded. The second one will, not the first one though. First one's not allowed to. Apparently, I was waiting 40 minutes ago. It's been 40 minutes and we still haven't like made any progress at all. That is pretty bad. Alright, we're almost done. 4 megabytes remaining on Minecraft. Busy downloading languages I'll never use. Hey, we're launching. Finally. Alright, so we can add this to our thing. Oh, what is this? I don't understand. What is this title screen? It's so big. Hang on. I don't think we got the right version. Oh, there we go. Yes, we are using the latest version. What is all this? Ay, ay, ay. It's been a while. What did Biome Blend? Turn that off. Oh! Guess who decided to finish loading? I literally turned off full screen and then Unity's like, oh, hello! We're done now. Don't open Minecraft. Come back. Sort of thing. So you know what? We'll play that later. And by play that later, I mean never. Until we have to make the level, that is. Alright, so back to Unity we go, because now we're finally ready. Yay! Game capture, because it's Unity. Unity. Capture a specific window. Capture Unity. Unity's not on the list. Now it is. But it's still not available. What is this? Come on. How do you not know where Unity is? It's this thing. Literally right here. Can I please? Oh! What? 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 That's not the whole thing. What are you doing? God damn. Why me? Yeah, we'll try a display capture. Here we go. I mean, not a display capture, a window capture instead. Unity. We're getting there, guys. Just a little more. And ba-bang! We're done. That's not the right size, but we'll have to deal with it. Because we're awesome. Okay, so, now that we've finally gotten somewhere. Because, blimmin' hell, that took forever. Okay, we can finally get started. Right, so what's first on the list? We need to get the open world done. Alright, we're finally on track. Apparently we've got console errors. Hopefully they don't... Uh-oh. Can we push play? No. Okay, so we've got compile errors. Debug.inventory pro.advanced trigger can use players marked as an override, but no suitable method found to override. Right. I don't know what the problem is. Well, I mean, we don't really need an inventory, right? We could just switch between weapons. For now. I don't really feel like fixing that. It's just been too long. I don't want to deal with problems. Unless I could just get rid of that one script. Advanced trigger. Scripts. Man, it's lagging a lot. Alright, what is the problem? Advanced trigger. Oh, that's not here. Where is it? Scripts, yes. Oh, modules, right. Okay. And then where? Triggers. Far out, this is a huge thing. Bang. Oof. Triggers. Okay, advanced trigger delete. And is that it? That was literally the only thing that was causing an issue. Okay, we can an item trigger. Okay. Sorry. Okay, we can't trigger items now. Push play. If it works. Okay, that makes sense why that would break, but if this still doesn't work after all this deletion, I'm just going to delete that whole asset and we're just going to work without it. Because I really can't be bothered fixing it now. We've finally gotten to editing and making, so yeah, we're going to delete that whole thing. Right, so that's deleting. Almost there, guys. We can finally start. Okay, cool. Now there should be 0 compile errors when we push play. And that's what you want, right? Oh, you know what? We can knock out straight away without even doing anything. The HDR RPL. So that's gonna be cool. Okay, cool. We can play. Hey, we did it, guys! Hooray! Wish we had confetti for this moment. Oh god, that's what. How long has this been? 15 minutes until we could start. Oh my god. And I was importing before I started too. This is ridiculous. Apparently I'm having trouble clicking on stuff. There we go. Import new package, I believe. No, it shouldn't already be here in this version. I'm pretty sure it is. Let me have a look. It should be under graphics, I believe. Yeah, we don't have a pipeline. Okay. Can we select one? At some point? Can we... Why is it so laggy? Can we please... There we go. Just gonna add the effect back onto my webcam so we can actually see what's going on. Real quick. Filters on. Hey, now I'm transparent. Tell me if you prefer that, if you're still watching. Yeah, okay, apparently we don't have any of these. Okay, so we'll have to import one. Not that way, apparently. Oh, how do we import that then? Asset store, I guess. Pipeline. No. What about post processing stack by Unity? I'm sure that comes into that, right? Oh boy, importing again. I don't think this is going to take nearly as long as the other ones, though. Thank God. We're still compiling scripts. You can't see it because display cache is not working for whatever reason. Can we push? Okay, we're almost done compiling this. Alright. I thought we would have been done when I started the live stream. You don't even want to know how long I was importing stuff before the live stream. It was like it was over 2 hours. It was terrible. I didn't like it, but we're still missing stuff. Anyway, we should be done with the post-processing stack right about nowish. We're just importing small stuff. Yeah, okay, we're in now. And we still don't have this, but we do have the post-processing stack now in, apparently. Even though I don't see it. Sure. Oh yeah, we do, right here. Okay, so, in here, I assume there's a pipeline. I'm completely guessing. Okay, where's the pipeline? Okay, I'm you know when there's like a kettle boiling? Import Unity pipeline. Yeah. I did this before. Where the heck is this pipeline? I know it's a package. No, isn't this thing got like assets or something? Wasn't there supposed to be like a list here? Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. That's not what I want. Shoot, don't tell me I don't know where to go. Come on. You're telling me there's no pipeline. Where is the HD pipeline? Unity. Far out. Quick start, here we go. I have to watch a 12-minute YouTube video that I'm just gonna skip through because I really cannot find where to go. Okay, he's already got it. How did he get that? Oh, he starts straight off with it. No, how do you get it? I'm stuck until I can do this. Come on, somebody. Uh, very top. Scriptor is not supplied with standard. You have to download from the Unity. I don't want a scriptable one. I just want the normal one. The scriptable pipeline is not supplied with standard Unity editor installer, which you download from the Unity store. Instead, download the scriptable render pipe. Or maybe it is the scriptable one. Sure. Um. Sure. How do I go get it then? GitHub? Apparently. Alright. Download button. Where's download button? Yeah. Where the heck is it? Okay, I'm getting somewhere now. This is a nightmare right now. I don't remember this being so annoying. Oh, wait. What? Hang on a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, what is this saying? Right click on project window, create render pipeline. Okay. The project window, which is this. Create. Oh, no one can see what I'm doing. Ay, ay, ay. I am in the right version though. I see post-processing profile. That doesn't do anything for me though. Where the heck is this? Okay, I'm like getting really annoyed right now. Import high definition render pipeline. God damn, can we please get somewhere? I don't even know how my team did it now, because I have no idea how. This is a good start. I'm like looking everywhere right now. Don't tell me I'm gonna have to re-import. I'm asking someone right now. Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna have to re-import everything, because I'm not doing that. Why? Go to the package manager. Where's the package manager? Yeah, well, I go to import package and it just says custom package. There's no options. Which is really weird because there should be tons of options here. Yeah, I know there's ways to do that because I've done that before, but like, this thing's annoying sometimes. Yeah, I know about it breaking. I can't find the bloomin' importer. I'm like going everywhere. I actually cannot find how to import this thing. And it's really annoying. And it's starting to look like I have to literally scrap this and start from the start and tell it to import because it doesn't have it. And it's not on the asset store. Oh my god. This guy, alright. Alright, fuck. Can I get to Unity's, like, thingy? I'm pretty sure I see you have to have V2. Oh my god, when did I do this before? I did something to make this work on my other project, and I can't remember how I got this to work. It's not in here, it's definitely not in here. I think I went to their GitHub. Oh, I don't want to do that. It's probably the exact same reaction I had to it last time, was I didn't want to do that. Hang on, let me check. It should be on Trello how I did this. Alright, I'm like complete standstill. Ah, wrong team. Let's see, if we get to Duns, texture and pipeline fixes, what did we do here? Doesn't even say what I did, it just shows that I've done stuff. Window package manager. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is how I did it, I remember. Yeah, that's in here. You have to find it. Ah, okay, thanks. Thanks, person PMing me. Post-processing isn't in here for some reason. ProBuilder isn't either, but there's the render pipeline here. So you have to have the core, and then you have to get the high definition one, and you can't see what I'm doing. So yeah, I have to install the new pipeline, the post-processing though, otherwise it won't work. Okay, we getting there. I need to do this before tonight. That's the thing. Like, I have a few hours to pump this thing out. Or 24 hours. I don't know. I might extend it. It's going to be a bit hard with the amount of time this is taking to install and install everything. You know, it's a bit of a mess. Maybe I'll just leave it till tomorrow or something. At this rate. Because it's honestly just so annoying. Okay. Tell you what. We might do this tomorrow. Because at this rate, we're not going to have any time to build a game. Because, honestly, I'm just importing and compiling, then importing and then compiling. It's already taken way too much time. I'm just going to stop the stream here and we'll continue it tomorrow. When everything's going to be here, I'll make sure it's all there. I'll try pushing play, and if it still compiles, and I'll wait, you know. And then I'll finally start the stream and can get this thing started, because honestly, this is ridiculous. Alright, I'll see you guys then. Bye.